Hi everyone! If you get nervous before public speaking, you're not alone. Today we're introducing a method that helps you manage anxiety before you speak in front of a crowd. I'm Elena and this is Yuri. We're here to guide you through this calming and supportive approach.
This method is all about self-reflection and relaxation technique to reduce anxiety. You'll start by reflecting on what makes you anxious about public speaking. It could be anything from stage fright to fear of forgetting your lines.
Once you've identified your anxieties, the next step is to share them with the group. But don't worry, it's a safe and non-judgmental space. You can share in any way that feels comfortable, like explaining in simple words, using a drawing, or even a short poem.
After sharing, the facilitator guides a discussion to explore these anxieties and how they affect you. You might discover that others have similar experiences, which can be reassuring.
Next, you move on to the stress management part. This includes a diaphragmatic breathing exercise to help you relax and focus. It's a simple technique where you inhale through your nose, letting your abdomen swell, and then exhale slowly through your mouth.
The session wraps up with a discussion about how you can use these techniques in real-life public speaking situations. It's a great way to build confidence and learn strategies to stay calm before big speech.
If you want to learn more about this method, but also other methods, check out the document linked. It has these detailed instructions and additional tips for making the most out of this session.
Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please put a thumb up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more insights on public speaking and stress management.
See you
next time.